The 2013 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, tow hitch, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, aluminum wheels, four-wheel drive. Come see the car for yourself.